Hey guys, so basically today I'm going to be showing you how to make some game clips for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you'd like to use it for. So we're going to be using the Xbox app for this. I'm also going to show you how I set it up personally. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go over to our capture settings. Now, these are the settings I personally use. You don't have to copy everything verbatim here, but that's what I would do. So as you can see, I've got the recording length set to 1 minute, 1080p SDR. You don't really need more than that. You can go higher if you want, and all this other stuff really doesn't matter. All that you really need is the uploads, right, to the Xbox network, captures by yourself. So once you've got all that set up, we can go over to our game clips. We can ensure that we've got a game clip uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a Halo clip. As you can see, it does not say upload, so it's already uploaded. I can click the sharing options, right? So this is how you know it's uploaded. All right, and now I'm going to show you the second half. So essentially from this point forward, you're going to go onto the Xbox app on your phone. So you're going to go over to the books on the bottom right. You're going to click that. You're going to click the game clip that you just uploaded. Then bottom right, you're going to click save. Just wait for the clip to finish saving. All right, perfect. So now that we've got the game clip on our phone, we can now go over to whatever platform that we prefer, and we can upload a clip. So I'm going to use YouTube in this case. Gotta click our clip. And as you can see, I can make it shorter, longer, etc. And that's basically it, guys. Finalize your clip. You can edit it within this. I'm not going to, just for sake of example. So, and there you go. You click next, and now you've got a bunch of details to fill out, your description, etc. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.